So there are some insane editors inside my community, VP+. And every single week, they submit the exact jobs they're working so we can see exactly how much they're getting paid. Like this $800 video for a YouTuber with 60 million subscribers, this $3,500 retainer for a YouTube automation expert, and hands down one of the best edits I've ever seen that I'm not even going to tell you the price of until later in the video because the editor got completely ripped off. And today I've got my boy Gasser with me watching these edits. Only 1 year ago, he was a broke college kid stuck in his dorm struggling to pay his tuition fees, and now he makes over $10,000 a month, paid off $25K of his student loans, bought a Rolex, and he's now a mentor inside VP+, teaching our students how to do the exact same. So he knows what it's like to go from literally making nothing to making insane cash editing videos online. Mr. Gasser, how you doing today, brother?
My boy Jack, how you been?
I've been good. You ready to watch some edits with me?
Yeah, let us start with 10. We're gonna go from worst to best.
Yeah, let's go worst to best. Let's have a look.
If you don't do this before applying, you are missing out on your first $50,000 in funding.
Yo, it's
you need to
pretty good.
Tell the banks that you are capable of handling
Anything is gonna
a card
be good
with
for
high
$10.
limits. We are not talking about authorized.
Damn.
These are all custom made. These aren't like ready assets. He made this for this guy.
Bro, dude is doing full-blown Imangaji style for $10. After finishing some of his work, I dropped the client. Illumini, you were 100% right to drop this client. You're getting underpaid here, big time.
Of course.
This guy now thinks he can pay $2.50 an hour to get Imangaji style. You should have gotten paid $100 for this edit right here.
An easy 100, 152 if you position yourself right.
Who could be the best defender in the WNBA? There's no way you can see a play like this and not have Gabby Williams in the conversation as a number 1 or as low as number 3. But I'm not just gonna let a block like this slide without teaching you why this is so special.
It's much simpler, but
sure
the
you
thing
hit that
is,
follow
did he
button.
source the clips himself and edit it and slow it down? Did he put in all the work or not? Because that's gonna make a difference. If you just got the clip ready, then okay, good money for little work.
Yeah, I completely agree. So it's like, I'm not too sure. He didn't say too much here. He said basketball edit where I need to track the player and the ball. If you didn't find the clip, Matty Deep, you might just be warming up because 3 hours if you didn't find the clip's a little bit long.
Yeah, exactly. 3 hours. If you spend the 3 hours on the editing, then I think $20 is definitely not worth 3 hours of work.
Quick real estate VSL, easy to do, completed it in one sitting, getting faster at doing these. Sick. This guy only worked 2 hours on this. He made $20 an hour, so
Okay.
much more respectable.
Wait, don't sell your house without this. Columbus home sellers who make this one mistake lose tens of thousands of dollars whenever they're deciding to sell. The mistake that some home sellers make is relying on the old listed and wait method, praying that the perfect buyer just magically shows up. The result is their home sits on the market for months, they get constant lowball offers, and they have to do price cuts even to get an ounce of interest.
Okay, cool. So this is much more like fair market value. What do you think about this, Gasser?
Well, to be honest, I actually work in ads and I do VSLs almost every day. Actually, $40 for a VSL is quite low. There's a lot of work that needs to be done, whether it's on the sound effects. If there were like more sound effects, more color play, smoother transition, stuff like that, this can easily be a $200, $300 video.
I agree 100%. And like when I said fair market value, I more so mean in how much time he spent on it. So it's like, yeah, cool. Like if you spent only 2 hours on this, you made $20 an hour, that's cool, but I completely agree with Gasser. There's a few tweaks you did here that could have taken this to like literally double, triple the rate. By the way, if you're not in my Discord community, VP Academy, you're missing out big time. I have a 12-hour After Effects course and a 9-hour Premiere Pro course that teaches you how to be an absolute beast. We have live sessions every single week where we do editor feedback sessions, roast your edits, give you improvements, and make you better. There's also thousands of assets, sound effects packs, overlay packs, transition packs. This is all drag and drop assets that makes you a better editor without you actually having to learn those effects. And we do editing contests and give out cash prizes every single month, and 15 other editing courses on speed ramping, motion tracking, masking, rotoscoping, pretty much everything you need, all for just $9.99 a month. Click the link below to join, and I'll see you inside.
Are you tired of seeing empty service bays while your competitors are booked out weeks in advance? What if I told you there's a proven system that's already delivering 20 to 40 qualified repair jobs each month to auto shops?
Hold on. This right here, qualified repair jobs, didn't they say? It says repaint.
Spelling mistakes are a very big turn off for any client, for anyone even watching your videos.
How do you discipline your editors, Gasser, when they mess up the spelling?
I keep on mentioning it over and over and over, even after the fact that they fixed it and they don't do it again. I just keep on mentioning it until they will never do a spelling mistake again, trust me.
We've got a $200 edit right here. Took 4 hours, so they got paid $50 an hour. Shout out to Alvamac.
In this video, we are doing the 100 days challenge inside inside of a Poppet world in Minecraft. During our 100 days, we come across all sorts of challenges like Poppet monsters, sneaky evil Luca, and many more. When a giant Poppet tsunami shows up at the end, will Justin be able to make the ultimate sacrifice?
Everybody who I know who edits kids content eventually quits kids content because their ears are getting blown up, right? Because it's like, welcome back to the video. It's just such over the top crazy shit.
I never thought about it like that.
Yeah, they always quit,
That's crazy.
bro. There's good money in kids content. Like, look, these people, LankyBox, have 42 million subscribers because there's hella kids.
Look how many views too.
Brush you get.
And this is like a simple video. Minecraft editors specifically, they are very creative and they have to have very good editing skills. 4 hours, $200. It's not bad.
Okay, this is a $400 edit.
What up, boys and girls and everybody in between today?
Yeah.
My friends and I are trapped in a Lucky Block only Minecraft world. Our goal is to gather gear, make a base, and defeat the Ender Dragon. But we only have 10 lives. And if you die after that, you get banned. Stick around to see if we can survive the Lucky Block only world. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy the video.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie,
this
right?
is clean.
Right? You could see the difference though between the $200 Minecraft edit, which was like a little bit slower paced, and the $400 Minecraft edit.
Yeah, that's actually what I was talking about. This is the perfect example. You see the like, how do I say it? The attention to detail just doubled the price.
Constant pop-ups, constant attention, and also the views are different, right? This has 2 million views in, a few months. The other one had 700K in a couple years. So
the hook here is very strong. The hook is very strong. The colors, there's a call to action at the start. So nah, it's perfect. Yeah.
This was elite, top tier. Okay, so this was an $800 edit. Again, no hourly rate logged.
Today I'll be living with Ronaldo for 24 hours. I'll also be living with a real bounty hunter, and I'm also gonna show you guys how a YouTuber lives. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to figure out whose life is the most fun. But before we see how Ronaldo lives, let's start with living like a YouTuber. Alright guys, I've never done a video like this before.
Crazy hook.
I already know the rest of the video is gonna be full of edits. It's gonna be super engaging. I already watched the start, and the background music like changed multiple times, and there are sound effects going on all over the place, not too high, not too low. Now this is where the serious money starts coming in, because videos like this, they generate a lot of money, so they will pay the editors a lot of money.
Yeah, he said rough cut. So he actually got $800 just to probably cut the entire video.
Oh wow. Okay, now that changes it. That is still hard, I'm not gonna lie, but $800 for that means he must have had a lot of footage.
But look, this is constant scene changes. The thing is here, if you're doing stuff like this, 3D stuff, bro, this could have been a $3,000, $4,000 video right here. So it's like, yeah, it makes sense that they cut him $800 to build the storyline, and then probably cut another few grand to the other editors to do all the visuals.
I've made over $1 million with my faceless YouTube channels, and I'm going to teach you how to do it. The biggest secret of YouTube faceless channels, and what you really have to do, is disguise your inexperience.
Clean edit.
Standard when it comes to quality, whether it's the style of thumbnail, how you word your title, or the editing. The only thing you have to do is get as close as you can to each standard. Rule number 1, disguise. When you post your first video, or any video, look at how you
I already can see the
Ask
amount
yourself,
of work.
is it the same or almost?
Bro, you know what sucks about editing for faceless channels? There's no gap where you don't have to edit something. You literally have to do everything, bro. They don't turn to the camera and say something. You get a break for a minute. It's just constant edits.
There has to be an edit,
right?
There has to be an edit going on.
Savage. This is the closest you're gonna get to like saving some time when you just get some like random meme B-roll or something, but this is a fucking good edit, man. I can't lie.
The creativity in this to like keep thinking of what clips to get and what effects to create is crazy.
So this was a $3,000 edit right here.
Oh my god, we're back. Oh my god, we're so back.
Right, Chase, have you ever looked at a YouTube channel and gone, you know what, the videos on here, they're pretty good?
Yes, I have. I've looked at the Memulous YouTube channel.
Exactly, and you should subscribe.
The cough made that so good. George coughs every time he lies.
But have you ever looked at a channel that produces good content and goes, I wonder if there was ever a time where they didn't produce good content, perhaps when they started?
Are we watching YouTubers first?
We are, James! Well done! Today we are watching YouTubers' first videos.
Honestly, for a $3,000 edit, it's actually kind of moving a little slow, to be honest.
This is very interesting because the only edits I'm seeing, there isn't even music, so the only edits I'm seeing is the cuts. But here's the thing. This is what, like, the reason they're paying him so much money money is not for the editing. This guy knows what style of editing they need. He knows their audience. He knows what works with their audience. They're paying him for the knowledge more than the edits.
Yeah. It's a meme style video. Now also, like, they have 30 minutes of recording they can watch. So like these guys probably bantered and recorded for like fucking 2 hours, right? And he chopped it all down.
Yeah.
$5,000 edit. He said, this is my recurring client.
This simple 5-step process is exactly how I got my first business to $1 million a year, even with no sales experience whatsoever. The real secret is learning how to
love the background music,
right?
If you do it, it makes reaching that $1 million a year level way easier. And I'm living proof. My first couple businesses did so poorly that I had to shut them down. But after I learned this simple process, I not only reached the $1 million a year mark once, but I did it 5 straight times with 5 different businesses.
But that's what I'm talking about subtle sound design. Like that shit's got to be on like minus 20 dBs. It's super soft in the background and you don't even necessarily feel it, but it makes the text pop up, like makes it come alive.
Adds like a dynamic vibe to the whole video.
Clean, like you cooked hard.
That's
here.
a very big win.
Right?
Yeah, that's a very big win.
Woo! Oh, dude, some of these animations are actually fire as well. They're so clean.
This is very professional. This is the stuff you'd see on like actual companies and brands.
Yep.
That's the same level edits.
The $10,000 package is going to be some of the simplest videos. He says editing pretty simple content, promoting their latest technology. They connected via Upwork.
See, Upwork is where the big bucks are at.
It's rare you're going to get $10,000 for a single video. Realistically, if you're getting 10 racks for a project, you're working on multiple videos.
Or like a movie or like a very big project with a big budget.
No matter your software, the Minverse makes your workflow smoother, faster,
so
and more
simple.
Intuitive. Precision sculpting in ZBrush, seamless CAD control in Fusion. Whatever you use, Minverse makes it better. And be among the first to get the Precision Force Feedback tool for 3D work.
So I want to click on these guys, right? These guys are a robotics company. They probably have shitloads of money that they've raised from venture capital and raised from investors. That's how they're building robots. It makes sense they are able to cut a $10,000 check.
This is the biggest plot twist of editing.
Yep.
The most expensive videos and the most expensive projects, they're not taking you for the editing as much as they're taking you for the knowledge.
People don't realize one of the highest paid niches is ads. That's the niche you're in as well. And it's like the plot twist of editing is that the higher you go, sometimes, right, the largest packages are closed for the simplest videos. There's so much money hanging out on these freelance websites. The biggest project we watched today at the end was closed on Upwork.
I host live sessions every week helping my students in VP crush it with Upwork, closing monthly retainers, and just overall just helping each other out. That's what I'm here for.
Gasso's in VP Plus teaching right now. I got 2 things for you at the end of the video. Gasso's channel is linked down below. Go subscribe for a bunch of free value on landing big clients like this on Upwork. And B, join VP Plus if you want to take Gasso's Upwork course. He's literally smashing testimonials. Every week there's a new win off the course. Links down below as well. Peace, guys.